Hey guys, welcome to Quick Bits. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a cool trick that I learned today about the selecting tables. So for example, let's say you have a table, right, that has a name and number, two columns, right, and then we have a Alex number 1, 2, 3. Let's say Diana 5, 4, 6, and then Jen, let's say, something like that. So, okay, so before, let's say if you want to select a column and paste it somewhere, you would do something like this, right? Then you do Control C and then Control V, right? That's how you copy and paste. Today I learned this neat trick. Turns out what you can do, you can just click on some cell inside a column and then press Control A, and that would just select just the column, right? Just the table. So before I thought, so if you press it second time, right, it would select the whole document. I always assumed that Control A was just selecting the whole document, but I didn't know that it would select just the boundaries of the table that you're interested in. And then, you can just press Control C and then Control V, right? So the command actually, again, it's Control and then you press A at the same time, right? So if you're on a Mac, you press Command A. All right, I hope you guys like this trick. Please let me know in the comments below if you know any other cool tricks in Excel that I should share. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Bye.